Have you ever wondered why some men don't even try that hard, and yet women feel drawn to them almost instantly, and others do everything right and still get ignored? What if I told you attraction isn't about what you say, but about what you trigger? Because today, I'm going to show you 3 psychological triggers that quietly create attraction. And the third one, most men completely miss it, but it changes everything. Let's start with the first trigger, emotional uncertainty. Most guys think attraction comes from being predictable, nice, and always available. But here's the truth. The brain doesn't get hooked on certainty. It gets hooked on mystery. When she's not 100% sure how you feel or what you'll do next, her mind starts filling in the gaps. And that's where attraction grows, not in what you show, but in what you leave unanswered. Now, the second trigger is even more powerful, perceived value. Attraction isn't created by chasing, it's created by being chosen. When you act like your time, attention, and energy are valuable, people feel it, and more importantly, they don't want to lose it. This is why the moment a man becomes too available, too eager, attraction starts to drop, because value disappears when it's unlimited. But here's the one almost nobody talks about, the third trigger, emotional self-control. This is the difference between a man who reacts and a man who stays grounded. When she pulls away, tests you, or becomes distant, most men panic. They chase, they overthink, they lose control. But the man who stays calm, he becomes magnetic. Because emotional stability signals something powerful. I'm not dependent on this moment. And that creates respect first and attraction right after. So if you take one thing from this, stop trying to impress. Start triggering. Because attraction isn't built through effort, it's built through psychology. And once you understand that, everything changes. If you want to go deeper into this, watch the next video, because there's one mistake that silently kills attraction, and almost every man is making it without realizing.